I would say that the first training has equipped me with the skills and then the methodology to use in carrying out activity-based learning. When I went to school, I was able to explore some assignments were given, and as I organized the children, and then we had those activities, some were amazed, some were surprised how things could move like that, especially how water can move. And then the children were so happy. They are able to come out with their own ideas and then what they know around the topics. So it does not make the lesson a teacher-centered lesson, but rather pupil-centered, where there is coordination, where there is teamwork. Most learners are afraid of the science subject. And when we are able to make it practicable or activity-based, it arouses the interest of the students and they will enjoy the lesson.